How to fix TikTok app not opening. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok app not opening easy and fast. All what you have to do is simple. Go to the settings on your phone and scroll down, click on apps, and after you click on apps, now click again on apps in the top right here. And now all what you have to do is wait a few seconds. Now, after you wait, it will show you this page right here. You will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find TikTok app like this, and here is it. Click on it, and now all what you have to do here is simple. Just go to the data user right here and make sure that the Wi-Fi is working, and also the mobile data and all those options, and then go back and now click on the storage option and click on clear data and clear cache. Now all what you have to do is go back to the home screen and go to Play Store, and after you go to Play Store, search for TikTok like this to check if there is a new update. As you can see right here, there is an update. All what you have to do is click here to update your TikTok if there is a new update. And now restart your phone after you finish all these steps, and the TikTok must be working for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.